Let's take the next caller. Suman is calling us from Kolkata. Hi, Suman. How can we help you today?
Hi, Alex. Very good morning. Okay, so
Good morning.
I need a review on NDTV. I have around 10 shares of 4,500. So I'm looking for a long-term view for 3 to 5 years.
Right. Okay. And there's a downtick on the stock today. As I understand it, and correct me if I'm wrong, Mahima, this had to do with Citi, which is winding down some of its IT partners or IT, so contractors. And so one of the major clients, Citi is one of LTIMindtree's biggest clients, as a result of which you're seeing a downtick today, down about 3.8% or so. Suman has bought at levels of 4,500 on the basis of the fundamentals. Saurabh, this is a tough operating environment for IT companies, and the way that things are going, we were speaking with Moshe Katri earlier today, and he was saying that 2025 is likely to be a chop and churn sort of a situation, a flat situation for these IT companies. Would you hold on or exit?
Already, if you see 2025, 24-25 was a kind of a flat to degrowth for some of the companies. If you look at LTIMindtree, that in the last 2-3 quarterly earnings sequentially, there was a kind of a degrowth. And with the Trump making his march towards the tariffs and all, I think the discretionary spending is likely to be lower in the 2025 also, which will actually, reduce their earning, or maybe there would be a no growth for these companies. Already, as you have said that one of their major clients have reduced their business. In terms of valuation also, it is not at the maybe at the lower level also. So in my opinion, I think in my sense, the stock can decline during the next 2-3 quarters. It is better to get out of it. That is what my call is.
Better to get out of LTIMindtree. It's seen a considerable decline from those higher levels. The next question is a clubbed question, and I'm going to make an exception because this is something of a strategy that I think people take up. I've heard these two companies mentioned in the same breath quite often. Saurabh, this one's for you. Bama Lorry or Bombay Burma? And GC Prakash, who's writing in from Chennai, is wondering whether to buy into both or one, and he's got a considerable amount of money that he wants to deploy before the 31st of March. Should he do so in one or both or neither?
My opinion, I think if one has to take a call out of the two, then I think Bamar Lorry makes a sense. Otherwise, I would suggest better avoid both of the stock.
All right, so that's the view coming in on Balmer Lorry. The next caller that we have lined up for you is Naveen, who's calling in from Visakhapatnam. Naveen, a very good morning to you. How can we help you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
So I have 10 shares of Rainbow Children's Medicare.
Sorry?
I have 10 shares of Rainbow Children's Medicare.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so it's a 1,352 price.
Okay.
I want to understand the long-term perspective for that.
Okay, I got your question, Naveen. Saurabh, I'll quickly come to you. Rainbow Children's Medicare, what's the view like?
I think all the hospitals are making, I think on the operational front, they are making decent growth. And the expectation is that because they are adding more beds and they are adding capacity, and their mix is also allowing their profitability to grow. So in my opinion, Rainbow is a good choice, and he can hold for next 2-3 years.